Hey everybody, welcome to Abby's Chaotic Kitchen. I'm your host, Abby. I had begun this video a few minutes ago thinking my microphone was on, so here I am starting all over again. We are making taco tater tot casserole, and it's really easy. All you want to do is you want to go ahead and start by browning up 1 pound of hamburger, and you're going to add a healthy tablespoon of garlic if you like garlic. And then I put some minced onions in here because I don't have an actual onion to chop up and put in there. Otherwise, I would. And I let this simmer together for 5 minutes. So there's that. The other thing you missed is you need to preheat your oven to 375 degrees. You need to spray a 9x13 casserole dish. I took a can of refried beans and I layered them along the bottom, smashed them all along the bottom. And then I used this Spanish style rice and I just broke it all apart, put that on there and spread it over the refried beans. Now the refried beans and the rice, that's optional. You don't have to do that. So I'm going to put this back out of our way for a second. Very hot day here in the Midwest. Okay. Now I'm adding just a little bit of pepper. And just a little bit of salt. Okay, now what we want to do next is we are going to add in a can of corn drained. And it calls for a can of black beans and a can of green chilies. I don't have any green chilies, but I did have black beans with diced jalapeños. So it's going to be good and spicy. I'm not going to drain this, obviously, because it'll lose all the flavor, but I am going to add it right in there. Okay. You also want about, I'm going to start with a half a cup of salsa. You may need another half a cup. Let's give this a shot first. I'm going to switch from my spatula to my spoon here. I am going to go ahead and do just about, so maybe that's about a quarter, so about 3/4 of a cup of salsa. And we also are going to add in, this is 1 cup. So probably about 1.5 cups in the taco mixture itself. We're going to add some more later after I test it, make sure it's not poisonous. I love Colby Jack. It's the best, in my opinion. What's your all's favorite? I also love pepper jack. Comes in second. But I like spicy stuff. If you haven't been able to tell yet, just keep giving this a good mix. That is what we are looking like so far. It looks and smells delicious. Now, if I can lift this bad boy, the goal is to put the meat mixture into the pan here. That thing's heavy. Okay, and just spread that all around. She's looking and smelling beautiful. Okay, so now what I have here is a 32-ounce bag of tater tots. And we are going to put these on top. And we're going to try to give them some sort of a semblance around the top here. Before I throw mine in the oven, I am going to add some Lawry seasoned salt. This is optional. You don't have to do it. I just like to season everything I've got. I'm a pretty heavy seasoner on things. My family hasn't complained yet. Okay. We're going to put this in the oven at 35 minutes and we'll be back. Okay, so I just pulled this out, the 375 degree oven. It's been in there for 35 minutes. Like I said, we want to go ahead and, I mean, this is optional. It's up to you all. But I love cheese, and this is how everybody else did it. So we're just going to put a layer of cheese on top of the tater tots and put it back in for probably about another 10 to 12 minutes. You just want these, the cheese to be melted, and these tater tots are looking pretty good and crisp. We don't want them to burn. I want them crispy. I just don't want them to burn. We do however much cheese this is here. I was going to shred some more while that was baking in there, but I am out of my Colby Jack block. I do have some in a bag that's already pre-shredded, but I prefer this kind. I don't know. I started doing this about a year ago and just prefer it. To me, it tastes better and it melts better and yada yada. Okay. Well, like I said, put as much or as little as you want. You know what? Hold on. I got some pepper jack cheese here. I'm not going to put a lot on, but talking about some spice. I was talking about pepper jack cheese earlier. I just love cheese. Does anybody remember that cartoon from when we were kids? If you're around my age, not telling my age, but it was about these mice, and this female mouse was always just like, I love cheese, just rally I do. No, maybe just me. I don't know. Okay. Now, make sure it's good. All right. Back in for 10 more minutes. Okay, so it just came out. I put it back in there for actually 10 more minutes. And then I put it under the broiler for like 1 minute and 45 seconds. And that just looks beautiful to me. Now, I'm going to be honest. I've never actually made one of these before. If I have, it's been a bajillion years ago. I know that's criminal. But we're going to go ahead and get us some here and try it. I have been letting it rest for about 5 minutes. Oh, yeah, look at all them layers. Oh, yeah. Making my mouth water. And put anything you want on it. I mean, obviously, I'm going to put a little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. Like that. My stove's been wigging out the last couple days. I'm going to put a little bit of sour cream on here. You can put shredded lettuce, tomatoes, anything you want. I am out of shredded lettuce right now. Or I would probably do that. But love me some sour cream. And just a little bit of taco sauce. Taco Bell, of course. Okay, let's give this a shot. Now, this will bring us to the end of our recipe once I try this. Hopefully, it's really good. But if y'all are enjoying the channel, please give this a like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. Give me a comment. Say hello. Tell me where you're from. Tell me if you've made this, how you've made it different. If you're going to make it, just say hi. Anything. So let's give this a shot. Hopefully it's not going to scald my mouth off. Okay. Y'all have to try this. Oh my goodness. Holy tortilla Batman. This is awesome. I don't know why I haven't made this sooner, but I guarantee you I'll probably be making it more often. But anyway, like I said, that brings us to the end of our video. I hope you all make this because it's amazing. And I'm going to get off of here so I can feed my face. And we'll see y'all soon. Thank you.